How to paper trade on TradingView. Go to your web browser and type in TradingView in the search bar. Click on the link that takes you to the TradingView website and log in. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, look for the trading panel. It's usually on the bottom left side of the screen. Click on it to open up your trading options. Within the trading panel, you'll see different options. Click on Paper Trading. After selecting Paper Trading, you might need to connect to the simulated trading environment. Look for a button or link that says Connect or something similar and click on it. Once you're connected, you'll see a virtual trading interface. This is where you can practice trading without using real money. To place a trade, simply locate the buy and sell buttons. If you want to sell, click on the red icon. If you want to buy, click on the blue icon. Now that you know how to place trades, spend some time practicing. Experiment with different strategies, analyze charts, and get comfortable with the platform. Thanks for watching. Now that you know how to paper trade on TradingView, you're one step closer to mastering your trading skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to dive in and start experimenting. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.